Hello everybody, how are you? Happy today. It is almost Yalda night, which is the longest night of the year, which means from tomorrow on the days are gonna get longer and light is coming and we're moving towards light. And this is one of the most amazing celebrations that we have as Persians, but not just Persians. Many different cultures and countries celebrate Yalda, and I really wanted to celebrate it here with you guys, since I can't really celebrate it out there with my people, with my family and friends, just like good old days this year. So I thought it would be awesome to do something really cool. I mean, at least I think it's cool, and showcase it for you guys and let you guys know what I'm doing. So I've gone already and done a mini setup in a little corner of my home with all the things that I already had from my home. So I haven't really bought anything except the fresh flowers and of course the fruits. Culturally, it's all about eating this event. It's all about just having fun and reading poetry from Hafiz, and it really brings me a lot of joy. It's one of my favorite celebrations. So here we go. I'm gonna eventually show you guys a little bit of a close-up, but I'm gonna get up. I have done a little setup of a low table because good old days, they used to sit on a low table and put blankets on it and have these awesome heaters underneath the table, so everybody would put their feet under it and it would be so warm and cozy. And because they were gonna stay up all night, just because that was tradition, they would just like be all cozy and probably half sleep, and some people would probably pass out anyway. But I wanted to kind of bring a little bit of that tradition into a little bit of a modern / Moroccan style, because it's one of my favorites and half of my home is very Moroccan. And since I've been to Morocco, I have a few of the items from there too, so I wanted to kind of mix a little bit of my items with the culture and traditions of Yalda. So I hope you enjoy it. For now, you guys can watch what I'm doing, how I'm placing it, because I have to get up. Let's get started. Everybody, happy Yalda. Thank you so much for watching. I am beyond grateful. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you have any questions. I really hope you enjoy your celebrations, and send me photos. Let me know what you end up making. I really also hope that I inspired you guys to do something awesome from just what you have at home, because anything you end up making, it will be beautiful because it comes from your heart and it is all good. Okay, enjoy. Happy today, happy Yalda. Much love.